Hello everyone, wherever you are. This is the 9th video of Sounds British. So far, I've made 8 videos on consonants, and now I'd like to work on vowels. So the sound that we have today is E sound. Look at this, it's E, E, like sweet, tea, 3, please. Now listen and repeat. Repeat. Tea. Sweet. Peter. Do you like your tea sweet? Yes. 3 sugars, please. Look out for that sheep. Stop it leaking. What lovely cheeks. This peel's got vitamin C in it. Throw out that bean. He's going to leave. Okay, so remember to say E sound, like when someone take a photo, they say cheese, because it sounds like a smile, E sound. If you like this video, like and share. Now I'm going to leave. See ya, bye.